Hi there! You have probably already seen our other tutorials that show you how Parago makes your life easier, safer and more convenient. The Set button of your Pg35 comes with various functions. Today I will show you what those functions are. Press the Set button once to set the temperature anywhere from 10 degrees Celsius to -18 degrees Celsius, or from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to -8 degrees Fahrenheit. Press the Set button twice to select one of the secondary modes, Eco or Max. Press the Set button 3 times to select one of the primary modes, H1, H2 or H3. Press the Set button 4 times to switch the temperature unit between Celsius and Fahrenheit. You're good to go. For more information, check out our other tutorials, follow us on WeChat or Instagram, or visit our Parago website.